give y'all a chance to read that. Built by Vander A. Gregg in 1846. A planter in what was Marion District. I forgot it used to be on Marion County, I'm pretty sure. I need to look into that. So it says Red Doe refers to an incident during the Revolution when Patriot scout Andrew Hunter escaped on Red Doe, the horse of loyalties. It was restored in 1940, I remember that. 1982, that's when it got registered. Okay, so what sucks about this place? Well, as you can see, if you've seen this place before, you know it's gotten refurbished. But what sucks is, I've been right down from this house pretty much my whole life. And, well, yeah, my whole life. And, it was abandoned for the longest time. There's videos, you can see it was abandoned. There's so many, there's one video of a ghost hunt where they caught a bunch of orbs and stuff. And I wasn't into the abandoned stuff yet, so I didn't go. And it was literally right here, and I cannot find another abandoned plantation house. So, that sucks a lot. And there's a slave house in the back, and there used to be an old, like shed thing over there. But there's people here right now, so I gotta be kind of careful. But I'll show y'all the slave house. So the big shed used to be back there in that thing, but it's gone now. And I'll show y'all this. Used to be something back here, I'm pretty sure too. But I'll show y'all the slave house. But there's people right there, and I don't want to be all up in their grill recording them. But you can see the side of the house, some right there. Okay, let's try to get a good shot of the slave house. Right there. That's as good as I can get of it. But yeah, a beautiful place. It got refurbished. You can kind of see it over there. But yeah, there's a better view of the slave house. There's people back there though, so I can't really get too close.